Hello everyone, this is Dr. K and today I'm going to show you how to fix your VLC media player problems, crashing, lagging, skipping in 4 different ways. Okay, then let's get into the VLC media player. Open your VLC media, go to Tools and click on the preference, or directly a shortcut key for the preference is Ctrl P. Click and go to Alls, go to Input Codecs, scroll down until you find File Catching MS. Change its value to 600 and save this. Okay, go to Tools, Preferences and Input Codecs and change this automatic hardware accelerating decoding to disable and save this. Go to Tools, Preferences, click on the All and scroll down and find Video and Output Models and select this to automatic and save it. Okay, go to the Tools, Preferences, All, go to Input Codecs and Video Codecs, double click this and go to FFPEG, find thread, scroll down, you will find a thread option. Yes, here we go. Change this value to 2 and save this. I told you guys the 4 different ways of the setting for the best performance of VLC media player. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. K. Thank you.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the